Let's see what I'm going to feed people. Callaloo, cabbage, carrot, everything in there. Yeah, people. It's very good, very tasty. I tell you. The bread is nice over the bread. The bread just fresh and nice. Yeah, people, welcome back to my channel. And right now we're at the Juici Beef in Brian's Bay. That's in Portland Jamaica. Before you reach up to the town, before you reach the Brombrook. Yeah, so they even have a drive-thru. So I'm gonna take you on a tour right now. I'm gonna see what I'm going to the drive-thru. Juici Beef patty. Yeah, man.
Can I take your order?
Yeah, good morning. What kind of patty you have available right now?
All the patties.
Have all the patty them. Alright. Can I get a veg with cocoa bread? You sell Tito?
Red rose, peppermint, ginger.
Alright, give me a ginger one.
So veggie patty for me. Veggie patty, cocoa bread and a ginger tea?
Yeah.
Any juice or water?
Yeah, I can get a what? Give me a orange juice.
So veggie patty, cocoa bread, ginger tea, orange juice?
Yes.
$6.30.
Alright, thanks. Yeah, people, so that's Juici patty. Right here in Portland Jamaica. And this is at Brian's Bay, right before you reach in the town. Before you reach Coronation Bakery, do you see it? Yeah, man, right on the stretch this one. So right here, so now you have the pay window. So you pay right there, so, and you pick up down more, you see it? Yeah. Yeah, people, do remember to like and subscribe. If we get at least 500 likes on the video, please and thank you. Yeah, man, here's truly Dex Media. It's my turn now to go to the PA area. This is the pickup area now. Yeah, so I'm gonna just get back my change and alright, so this is, yeah, good morning. Yeah, thank you. Wow, I'm too far. Yeah, thanks a lot. Alright. And I'm a straw? In the bag. Okay, thanks. Alright, man, I'll show you what I'm going now, people. So see that? Get me tea, fresh patty. Alright, so right this side you have the walk-in area. Yeah, Juici Beef patty. Yeah, that's the main entrance. And the drive go right around there where you see the vehicle park. You drive around the corner there. And it bring you all the way around this side. Alright? Yeah, guys, so look at the patty. But no, say when I want some, yeah, man, fresh Juici Beef. Alright, let me taste it now and see what I go and feed. Remember, this is the vegetable one. Yeah, I take the vegetable one. Yeah, people. This is very good, very tasty. I tell you. The bread is nice over the bread. The bread just fresh and nice. So I'm gonna see what puts me on for the tea now. The tea. Ginger tea. And give me 2 sugar. Yeah, so I'm just put the sugar in there and sweeten it. I haven't eaten anything for a morning, people. So this is my breakfast. You want a little bit more sugar? This should be good now. Let me taste it. Yeah man, this is perfect. Perfect. Can't finish eat off my patty now. Juicy beef. Yeah, people. Yeah, people, so the patty was really good. Me shell it. I drink my nice cup of tea. That's it. Yeah, man. This is ginger tea, as I told you earlier. The atmosphere right here is good too. I'm just spark up. Right near to where they have the drive-thru. Alright, people, look what I'm going. When I come from Buff Bay. When I come from Buff Bay. Or when I come from Norwich. When I pass that Total gas station right over there, so. Alright, I'm gonna pass that new plaza here right here also. I'm gonna do a vlog over there so you can look out for the vlog over there. This is the newest plaza down the bay. That's it. Yes. Big supermarket over there. Big. Not supermarket, big is a plaza. And I don't go supermarket over there. Alright, so right next to it, you have the Juici beef. So I'm just showing them I'm gonna see how to find the Juici beef. You see it, people. See the people? So now we just drive in now. So. Oh, we drive in from the other entrance. A two entrance you have, so one down the other side. Yeah, you drive down from the entrance here. Entrance there, so people. I'm gonna just go right round here, so now. Right round here, so. Right round. Now I'm gonna see the drive-thru sign. Or if you don't want to go in the frame right here, you can just walk and go in here from right here.